Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you the journal that I finally finished. This is the Butterflies in Blue journal. I used a kit from Artie Mays called Butterflies in Blue. It is a soft cover this time. I used a file folder. I covered it with fabric on the outside and heavyweight cardstock on the inside. I reinforced the spine with Tyvek, some muslin, and a little bit of lace. I've got some edge corners. I've got sari silk and a little butterfly I crocheted. And I just love this fabric. This is the last piece of it. I only bought a small piece. I did sew around the edges. And I've got a little bitty, you know those things. It is 7 3/4 by 5 3/4. It's got one signature and it's got 52 pages. And I do have a doily stuck in there that I didn't count. So this time I did the tie a little bit different. Every time I use, two of the sari silk, they get so hard. So I decided to do it a little bit different and attached it here with some buttons. And so that should hold. I've got Fabri-Tac and hot glue to keep it in place. So let's get to looking. This is again the kit from Artie Mays. And I've got different decorations. Of course, I've got my coffee dyed paper. I've got stenciling. I've got Lindy sprays. I've done stamping. And here's a little tag I made. And I even made a video in case you're interested in learning how to do that yourself. So let's see. Some collaging. And make sure I get in camera here. Here's a little flip I made. So we've got some cards. I've sewn around them and distressed them. And this is also a pocket. This was embossed. And here's a little tag to go inside. And that's some embossed cardstock too for decoration. Okay. And here's some collage that I did. A lot of writing space. I try to do, decoration on one side and, writing on the other. And here's a little tuck spot with a little letter you can write on. Or a little page you can write on. Got some butterfly stamping. And here we got a belly band. I've got some bling and some lace that I added to it. And I've got some crochet doilies that I made. And we've got a little card in here. All this came with the kit. Isn't it beautiful? I mean, how can you go wrong with butterflies, right? There we go. So I've got a charm here. This one's a dragonfly. So here's a little side pocket. And we've got a journaling card. And we've got a little writing paper. I love this image. I've used it several times. Some more collaging, some stenciling you can see there. Here's a little corner tuck. Blessed are the curious, for they shall have adventures. Yep, sneak back up under there. There we go. Here's a little side pocket with a little guest check that I decorated. You're writing on the back. There's the doily. The little butterflies. How pretty. A lot of writing space. I just decorated this a little bit. I mean, there's not a whole lot to do with her pages. They're already done so beautifully. And here's a little journaling card. A butterfly, a little collage pocket I did, with a little bling. There's a little banner tuck, and just a little postcard. some more collaging. Here's my scrappy belly band. And here's another writing space. Another little postcard. And here's another picture collage that I did. Got a little bling. Most of the butterflies I did bling on. I can make them cute. Here's a little tuck spot. A little butterfly added to her beautiful page. Got some stenciling going on and stamping. Oops, look at this. It's so big it wants to come out and say hi. So this is actually one of hers, and I figured it was light enough that you can write on it because I just felt like collaging on that side. And here's just a little postcard kind of looking thing to write on. Sneak a little secret note in. Another one of my crocheted flowers. And I just try to decorate this a little bit. That's the center. Another little collage. That's her tag. And I just added the bird and the butterfly and that little label. And got some little buttons. This one is a bumblebee charm. Some more of her page. Memories. Another little cluster. That's just a butterfly decoration I stamped on there. Here's some pretty laces. A little corner. Oh, life is short. Find out what makes you happy and go there. There we go. This was what makes me happy. So here a little journaling card. A little pocket. This is a tag from her kit, and I just kind of turned it sideways. Another journaling card. I get butterflies just thinking of you. A little snippet. And I just put this on this side. Life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. So this is hers, and I just then added a little bit. This might have been from her free kit that she has. And some more collage. Doily. Now this is a tag. This is embossed. A little cardstock there. And that's just a little flip up. Tuck that in there. So this is the envelope. This is the first window envelope that I've ever done. So that was fun. So it's a tag there. And then it's just decorated with a butterfly and have that beautiful image there. Got some stenciling and some stuff. And here's another page that I collaged. Hopefully you can see that. Probably blinded you, I'm sorry. This one's a little flower charm. So here's one of her little corner tuck spots. Got a little wooden button on there. So there's a journaling card, a tag. I just added some bling to it because it was already so pretty. And just a little postcard. Brunched up the edges. And here's another collage page that I did. It says love with all your heart. There's her writing paper, so pretty. All right, this. Got a little tuck here. And we've got a little tuck here. And we've got a space here. And a little journaling card. Yep, go down there. And then you put that back there and it keeps the flap closed. Got some butterfly stamping going on. Oops, just push that all the way down. And some more collage. Another tag I made. This is those Distress Inks, and I did a video on that also. And here's one of her little pockets with the little embellishing. And there's the back. And there's another one of the buttons. And so I don't want to put anything on the back because I think that's pretty. And again, the front, little butterfly. And it says journal. You can take that out if you want to put something else in there. So that is it. I hope you enjoy. I hope you got some ideas. And thank you so much for watching and all your lovely comments. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.